Hey, Soren, do you have hiccups? You turn the music down. Do you have hiccups? I didn't know hiccups would make you laugh so hard. You're silly. You're silly.